everyone, in this video, we will quickly look at the best legal crypto platforms in India for 2026 and which ones might suit you. First, global exchanges. There are many, but the key things to look for all liquidity and security. The top names include Binance and Bidget. Binance is one of the most trusted and widely used exchanges with high liquidity and smooth trading, while Digit is great for futures and advanced trading users. Now, for Indian exchanges, platforms like CoinDCX, CoinSwitch, Delta Exchange, and others are popular. If I had to pick one, CoinDCX stands out because it's beginner friendly, supports Indian banking, and follow local regulations. Finally, for traders with low capital, prop trading firms can help. They give you funded accounts after evaluation and you share profits. Some non names include instant funding, the funded room, and Bulberry funded. That's it. Choose based on your needs. Global exchanges for scale, Indian exchanges for simplicity, and prop firms for funding. Thanks for watching.